Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Acadiana Live. We have elder law attorney David Groner with the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic joining us once again. David, welcome back.
Hey, it's good to be here.
We have some questions that you have gotten at your workshops. As we always tell our viewers, you do these workshops frequently throughout Acadiana, and you allow people to ask you questions after your presentation. And one question that you get is having a Medicaid protection trust. Can your trustee sell property without you even knowing about it?
Yeah, that's a big concern that people have. And the answer is, according to the trusts that we do, they can't. I put in the trust that a trustee, first of all, has to give 30 days notice before they move anything out of the trust to the person who created the trust. That way there can be a decision made if there's a disagreement and whether the trustee needs to be removed for cause or things need to be straightened out. But realistically, I've not seen that happen. I've done a lot of trusts, and typically it's a child that's being appointed trustee, an adult child, and usually there's a lot of love in the family, and I've not seen that situation. I'm not saying it couldn't happen, but I've not seen a situation yet where a trustee was trying to do something, sell property, without being fully advised of the people that have created the trust.
Yeah. And another question you've gotten from attendees at these workshops is, let's say property that's in the trust is being sold. Who gets the income from that sale?
Yeah, that's also a good question that people ask. So you sell property, let's say you put the home in the trust, and later you decide, we want to downsize or move closer to the grandkids. So you meet with the trustee and you tell the trustee, you're probably your child, we want to sell the family home, and you do. They put it for sale, they sell it, they get the money from that, and they keep that in the trust and then buy the next place that the parents want to live, such as maybe a garden home or somewhere that's closer to the grandkids. So the money stays in the trust but can be used to buy the next location where you want to live. So really, it's the same thing as it'd be if you have done it, except you're now doing it through a trust.
And those watching might have their own questions. If you do, jot those down, because David has these workshops, again, very often throughout Acadiana. So you can bring your questions to David after his presentations, and that schedule of when and where he will be doing these elder law estate planning workshops can be found at the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic Facebook page. Or as always, you can visit their website on your screen or call that number if you would like to schedule your appointment with David.